Hi, this is Carolyn Stearns, Storyteller, and I want to welcome you to my very first tutorial for my blog. And we're going to do one today on learning to make a blog. And so you'll be all set up to connect on the World Wide Web and share all your information and things you like and build a broader community. So the first thing we do now that the computer is awake and ready to go is to get on the internet. There we are. We're at Google's search bar. And I'm going to ask for Blogspot. That's Google's blogger platform. There's a lot of different platforms out there. I just happen to use this one. And here it is, Blogger. Create your free blog. And today is your first day. You're going to go here to the orange button and it says Get Started. And it's going to help you set up an account with a password, and you can design your blog as far as choosing colors and so forth. I'm already a blogger, so I'm going to sign in. I use my email address as my sign-in. Ooh, and there we go. We have my email address in. And then I'm going to put in my password. Now I recommend when you choose a password that you choose something that has upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers, and it's something you can remember but other people would have a hard time guessing. So I'll put mine in. There we go. And we're on the dashboard. And your dashboard's just like the one in your car. All the instruments to help you figure out where you are and how it's going are right here. And we're going to go to my blog, Carolyn Stearns Storytellers, right here. We have the option for a new post, to edit previous posts, to read the comments, to check the settings or the design of the blog. Monetize and stats, we're not going to look at those today. You're going to have to get going before you're going to be concerned with that. That's what stats would look like. And it shows you traffic and so forth. And you can also view the blog if you wanted to see a certain entry. But we're going right to new post. And here's your blank page waiting for your blog to begin. So let's pick a title for up here in the title bar. And we're going to go with Learn to Blog Tutorial. And we're in the body of the blog now, and we'll put in a subtitle. And easy to follow step by step video. Now while I'm creating this video, we can't add the video. I'm going to come back and add that later. But it'll go right there under that opening phrase. And then maybe we'll want to put a picture of me in here. And I want to show you how to do that. We're going to go up to our toolbar here. And this is like it is in many Word programs. And here's the little picture in the frame. And it gives us the choice to upload from the blog, from Picasso or your albums, or from a URL. Or you can browse through your files for one. So we'll go to Browse. And we're going to go to my pictures. And I'm looking for one of my promo pictures. It's at the bottom of this file. I've selected that. And it's now loading it. And the blue highlight means that's the photo that will be loaded into the blog at this point. If you have a lot of photos in one blog, they'll all be there eventually, and the blue highlighted one, the one going in. And we get down to the bottom here, Add Selected. And there it is. So easy. Now, if it's not the right photo or you decide you want to change it, all you have to do is click on it. And it's offering us this blue toolbar with ways to change it by size or you can add a caption or remove it way down here on the right hand side. We can add a caption. We'll add my name to it. There we go. And my title is Storyteller. And then let's add some text here at the bottom. Hope this, learn to blog, tutorial was helpful. Now, as you notice, I spelled helpful wrong on purpose here. We want to show the spell checker, which is here in your toolbar, ABC and the check mark. And it doesn't like my name, but I looked at it and saw that I typed it correctly, so I'm just going to ignore that one. And come down here to helpful. And it's offering me other words that may be, and there's the correct spelling. And so that's fixed. Now we can also change things. Maybe this would be best bold. We can do that. And maybe we'd like that larger as well. Gives us choices of sizes. And we can center it right over here. So we have our centered little subtitle there. And we're going to insert that video right in this space between the subtitle and the photograph. Now the next thing we want to do is add keywords down here in the bottom corner. This is for when someone's on the internet and searching, they're going to search, and these keywords are what's going to bring them to your page. So I'm going to write that learn to blog and tutorial. It does suggest things when you're typing, and if it sees a spelling, it starts to recognize it. It will offer you things. I'm going to put my name in, and it's offering different ways it's seen my name used. So I've added that. You see it's saving automatically here, and it tells you the time it was saved at. And you can also preview before you publish your post. So we'll have a look at this blog and what it's going to look like when it's out on the web. The preview bar is right here on the left to show you that it is indeed the preview. And so we have the regular banner that's part of my design up here in white. And down within the pane we have the title bar title, my larger subtitle, room for the video, the picture's there, our text is there, our caption, and then there's the place to comment, a place to subscribe to the blog by email. Love to have you do that, or come over and visit me on Facebook or Twitter. And everything looks pretty good. If this was the actual blog, we could go up to share, and from share it prompts you and you can send it to Facebook and Twitter or in an email out to a few friends to try to show them what you're working on and possibly get some followers for your blog. So we're done looking at our preview and it's been saved. So I'm going to finish up this video and load it to YouTube so that I can link it into this blog right here in this space. I'll put my cursor right there, and when I'm ready to link it, I'm going to click the little movie clapper. And that will ask me if I want it from YouTube, from my own videos on YouTube, or from a file in the computer. It works the same way as the photographs do. And I'll load up that video. I will come down to the bottom in the orange box and publish the post and send it to Facebook and Twitter and a few friends. So give this a try. Create a blog for yourself and share something interesting that you would like to put on the World Wide Web. There's a whole community of people out there waiting to hear from you. I hope this was some help to you. My name is Carolyn Stearns, Storyteller, and I'm coming to you today from the quiet corner in Connecticut.